Hi students, so we are going to start exercise 1.5. In exercise 1.5 we will be doing only word problems combining all the 4 operations of integers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us begin the first sum. One night in Kashmir, the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next day, the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperature? So in Kashmir, the first night what happened? It is minus 5 degrees centigrade. The next day what happened? It is 9 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperature? I have to find how much of temperature is increased. So let us write the solution. Temperature for the first day. What is the temperature mentioned there? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. What happened to the temperature for the next day? It has increased. So temperature for the next day is equal to minus 9 degrees Celsius. Now to find the increase in temperature, what I have to do? I have to write the next day's temperature. Then I have to write the first day's temperature. What I should do? Add or subtract? I have to subtract, yes. So in order to find the increase, what I have to do? I have to subtract the greater number with the lesser number. So when I subtract, what happens there? 9 degrees Celsius minus of minus 5 degrees Celsius. It is given that minus 5, yes. So minus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus of minus becomes plus. So 9 degree plus 5 degree. When you add it up, what is it? It is 14 degrees Celsius. Yes. Next one, an atom can contain protons which have a positive charge and electrons which have a negative charge. So an atom contains both protons and electrons. Protons represents positive values and electrons represent negative values. When an electron and a proton pair up, they become neutral. So when one plus and minus are combined together, they become 0 and cancel the charge at. Now determine the net charge. Now here in the first subdivision, it is already done how to do it. Okay. So 5 electrons and 3 protons. Electrons represent negative and protons represent positive. So 5 electrons means minus 5. Yes. And 3 protons. So I am going to add them. So 5 electrons and plus, that is minus 5, plus 3 protons is plus value. So it is plus 3. So what is the value? Minus 5 plus 3. You have to subtract the number. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2. And the greater number is having minus symbol. So it is minus. So here the value you got is minus 2. Now minus represent protons or electrons? What is it? Electrons, yes. So it is 2 electrons. So I've drawn the diagram. This is just a circle with a line in dividing it. So we represent this as electrons, that is minus. This line represents minus. Okay, the circle represents an atom. In that atom we are mentioning the electron. Yes. Now I have not written the second question. I have started the solution with the second question and the answer. Okay. So when you are writing, you can write like this itself. So no problem, because this is a big question. I don't want to write the question separately and the answer separately. I have written the question, then the answer. You can write like this also. Okay. Now second one, 6 protons and 6 electrons are there. So proton means plus value, electron means negative. So 6 protons represents plus 6 and plus 6 electrons means minus 6. So both same number with the different symbol, so you will get 0. Yes. Next, 9 protons and 12 electrons. So 9 protons means plus 9 plus 12 electrons is what? Minus 12. So plus 9 plus of minus becomes minus. So 9 minus 12 is what? Minus 3. So here minus 3 is nothing but what? It is electrons. So there are how many electrons? 3 electrons. So I have represented the electrons like this. Next, 4 protons and 8 electrons. So how much is there? 4 protons means plus 4 plus 8 electrons is what? Minus 8. Now when you do it, it becomes 4 minus 8. What is 4 minus 8? It is minus 4. So that means I am having 4 electrons. Yes? So this is what I have represented over here. Next sum, 7 protons and 6 electrons. So there are 7 protons. That means I have to write plus 7. Instead of and, what I have to do? Plus, and 6 electrons represents minus 6. So 7 plus of minus becomes minus. That is 7 minus 6. Subtracting 7 minus 6, what is it? It is 1. So there is only 1 proton. So proton is represented like a plus symbol inside the circle. So circle represents an atom and the plus implies that it is a proton. Okay? Understood, ma'am?